have the Glossybox for the month of June to unbox for you guys. I've really enjoyed their boxes. They do send me these for review purpose. All opinions are my own though. And you can subscribe to them with the link down below. I also, if I'm not mistaken, they give me a coupon code. I don't make any benefits or any compensation from it. It's for your benefit alone. But it kind of helps them, you know if people are actually watching this video and are subscribing to their box. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the June box and let you guys know my thoughts. So they do have this coupon code for this brand name Lively, and this is what this month's box looks like. It went back to their regular box. Sometimes they have like these cute little limited edition kind of boxes, and we're gonna go ahead and scoot this out. And when you unbox their boxes, it's super cute because they always have like tissue paper and like a little bow. It's always like a little bougie, a little cute. And so here is the little pamphlet that has all the information, and I'm just going to, oh, that's so cute. Look, it's a little world map. So let's go ahead and jump into this. And the first thing that I see in here are these Tony Moly Peach Punch cleansing tissue. So there are 8 wipes in here. Wow, that's very little for wipes. Oh God, that smells so good. If these perform really nicely, I would buy a big package of these because that smells just like the Too Faced Peach palette, and I love it. It's overpowering, so if you don't like strong smells, this might be for you. This might not be for you. It says that it removes impurities while brightening and hydrating the skin. This smells so freaking good. Okay, so let's see what the price point on that is. It's 8 tissues for $7. Wow, that's pretty pricey. I don't know. Well, I'll definitely look into how much the full one is, and I'll try to put that around here so you guys know. But this is really, oh God, it smells so good. I love that peach smell. Next thing in here is, this is a moisture hydrating boosting serum. It's pretty tiny, and it says it's a deluxe mini. The brand is called Decorte, and it is a serum to help protect and repair your skin. It says the mini is worth $22.50. Ooh, that's pricey. So this is worth $22.50, and then the full size is worth $50. So wow, that's pretty pricey. I will definitely be testing this out and seeing how it looks. This is it has some kind of it's from Japan, so it's Japanese because it has the lettering on the back. I didn't want to say, I wasn't sure like what lettering, like what language that was, but apparently it's made in Japan, so we shall test that out. And then the next thing in here are, oh, these are tiny. Look, there's 2 little packages, and they're cannabis facial moisturizer and then the facial oil. So one's a facial oil and one's a moisturizer. These just seem to be like little try-ons. These are really tiny, and this is by the brand High Beauty. It says that the full size is worth $40 and $54, so this is just like a little extra in here. It says it's an extra treat, so that's just for you to test out. Next thing in here is the Korres, what is this? The Korres Nourishing Probiotic Gel Cream. This is 0.68 fluid ounces. It's supposed to be a hydrating cream. This is a deluxe size worth $18. The full size is worth $36. So this is pretty pricey. I have tried Korres in the past, and I do like some of their creams. It is very organic and natural, and it is pretty pricey. So it doesn't surprise me that the little deluxe size is worth almost $20. Next thing in here is the Rodeo Energizing Face Mask, and this is worth $18. Holy crap. I can't believe how expensive a lot of this stuff is, and it doesn't seem that expensive to me. So this is $18 for a sheet mask. I'm just gonna be honest, I would never pay that for a sheet mask. I think it's nice that it comes in this box. This box is worth $21 a month, but let's just be honest, like, that's pricey. So this is supposed to be a sheet mask that has vitamin C, vitamin B3, amino acids, hyaluronic acid, and is supposed to give you brighter skin. It better give me a whole new facial, like, for $18. And then the last thing in here is a Model Co Liquid Metal Shadow. This is full size. So this is literally, this and the mask are the only two that are full size. So that's a little bit disappointing in this month's box. I feel like some of the other boxes have been way better than this. Oh, that is a pretty shade though. That is very, very beautiful. And this is a liquid metal shadow worth $29. So this at least is worth almost what the box is worth. So you do get a little bang for your buck, but I feel like they could have done a little bit better. And that's what it looks like. That is so beautiful. It's so pretty. Oh wow, that is beautiful. That is something that I would definitely wear like all over the lid and then smoke out the outer corner, or even like put some on the inner corner of my eye. Very, very gorgeous. So I have to say, this wasn't like the best box for them. I feel like this one fell a little bit flat. I wish they would have had something else instead of this sheet mask. This sheet mask is a little too pricey for me. I would have preferred something else full size with the Model & Co like together, so that way it would have been worth it. But yeah, I am definitely interested. The things that call out the most to me are the Korres, the Model & Co, and these freaking things that smell like peaches. It smells so good. Everything else is just kind of like little samples to me, and the face mask is just way overpriced. So I will definitely put the total value around here. Like I said, this box is $21 a month. You can subscribe down below and get a discount if you want to. And yeah, you know, with every box, whether it be Boxycharm, Ipsy, whatever, sometimes they have good months and sometimes you have a month that's just So yeah, this month is just not that great for me as far as the Glossybox. So hopefully their next one will be a lot better. Anyways, let me know what you thought down below. Would this excite you, or any of the products would excite you? Are you looking forward to it? If you are subscribed to Glossybox, I'd love to hear from you down below. Don't forget to follow me on my social media and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.